Good day everyone. Today's training is on how to make a wallet. Now I've cut out some papers. The measurements I used are 4.2 inches long by 8.2 inches wide. So you cut out 4 of it. When you want to cut a leather, I cut out 9.7 inches long by 9.7 inches by 9.8 inches long. So what you have to do now, apply gum at the back of this and also on this leather all through. You can see I've applied gum. You apply gum on 2 of these papers. The leather, this is how to gum it. This is one. Then the second one, you give space. It must be on the same line. You can see I gave space here. Now all we have to do now is to fold this inside. The 4 sides. Fold it in. That is, you apply gum at all the edge and you fold them in. I've covered it, you can see. Covered the 2. Now we use one for the back, one for the inside. Now for the inside one, get a pencil. The size of a ATM card is always 3.5 inches long. So you measure 3.7 inches by the height of the height is 2.2, but we'll make it 2.5 inches. So you get a leather, depending on how many ATM cards you want to put inside. Like I said, I will measure 3.5 inches, 3.7 inches. By 2.5 inches long. Sorry, I measured 2.5, not 3 inches. Join the lines together. Before you cut it out, you have to make an allowance at the upper part of it, allowance of ½ inch. So all together we measure 3 inches. Cut it out that same way. This is it. 2.5 inches here, then ½ inch for the folding part. Then here to here is 3.7 inches. So you have to cut this 2 or 3 of it, depending on how many cards you want to put inside. But I'm going to be cutting 2. At the edge here, this place where I lined, I think you can see it clearly here. Apply gum here and here, then you gum this place down. Same thing for this one as well. After gumming the upper part of it, you can see the 2. Place it on, depending on where you want it to be. If you want it to start from here, that's the second one on top of this, you mark it. After marking it, just put gum starting from that place down. Then you apply gum all through this place and also all through this place. When it dries, start from that same mark and gum it on this first one. So you gum the two together. I've applied gum. Just want to show you how to gum it. Now for the side, I'm seeing some edges that's showing, so you trim that place off. So we can now put this here. Now because there's this space, which means that I need one more here to make it 3, so I'll be doing another one on top of this to make it 3. So I have 3 compartments already, so that's a side. Now here, the paper I measured there was I used 4.7, so I'll be using 4.2 rather, so I'll be using 4 inches, cutting 4 inches by 8.2 inches long leather with extra ½ inch at the front to folding. Measure 4.2 wide, long, sorry, not wide, long. And the longness is 8.2 inches. Add extra ½ inch at the upper part for the folding aspect, folding in. Cut it out.